guys. I was going to cook these a totally different way, but I'm starting. So I've already got it going. The way I cooked it this time, the ingredients are bacon, potatoes, red onions, bacon grease, butter, salt and pepper. Nothing usual. I wish I would have had my camera on earlier because we have a salt and pepper shaker. I'll show you. We have a salt and pepper shaker like this. The pepper's been empty forever. I use this pepper. I came in here and was shaking and shaking. I was like, there's nothing coming out. I knew salt was low. I was like, maybe I ran out. I was using the empty pepper. But the way I cook it, usually I slow cook it in the oven, cool it, and then come back and fry it like I am now. But I'm hungry. So what I did, I cut up the bacon, cut the bacon up into pieces. What I did, I cut it up into pieces. This isn't how you cook it the way I normally do. Let it start cooking a little bit to get a little grease. Then I added some butter to it. Then I started adding the potatoes and the onions and the salt and pepper. But it's really good. I'm hoping this turns out right. But you hear that cooking? Probably going to turn it. Maybe add some more salt and pepper to the other side of the potatoes. I'll do that now. Yeah, there's a lot of bacon grease in there now. And ironically, I'm also baking bacon right now. I prefer that method because when I cook it on here, we usually have thick cut. Our house gets so smoky, it smells like bacon for a day. I'm actually probably going to not add, I might add a little more salt. I don't think the wife likes much bacon. I mean, she loves bacon, doesn't like much pepper. The only thing I can tell you that the Google has told me, potatoes are done at a temperature of 195 degrees. When I come back with the finished product, I'll show you the thermometer I use. But until next time. Hello guys, I'm back. I just wanted to show you the finished product. I made a fried egg the way I make it. I cook it all the way through, and I think if you ask the Google, the yolk's still supposed to be soft, but I like eggs done. But I guess this is a brunch edition of Kleis. It's 1:37, my first meal of the day, but it's gonna be kind of awkward, but this is the finished product. You got the bacon, the home fries, and a cooked fried egg. And some people may say, you're eating bacon as the main dish and a side that has bacon in it. Is that too much bacon? If you're asking yourself that question, you don't know how to eat. And trust me, many people have had this exact meal, maybe with the eggs cooked differently. But until next time, I'm no culinary expert, but I can cook sometimes. Y'all have a good one.